Hi, I'm Brian with David Rio, and today we're going to make a dirty chai. It's dirty because we're going to add espresso to it, and we're going to make a dirty chai latte. Also known in some circles as a hippie chai. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a full scoop of Tiger Spice chai, and we're going to extract our espresso directly over it. Out. And tamp. Wipe it clean. And let the espresso go right. There we go. So what you're looking for on the espresso is two small little mouse tails. You don't want any big clumps to come out. You want it to take between 20 and 30 seconds. I like to aim right for 22 to 25 seconds to get about a good solid 2 shots out. As soon as I see some blonding coming off the espresso, I'll turn it off here. And then we actually use the espresso to melt down the sugar and open up all the spices in the chai. And that combination of the body and bitterness of the espresso really works really nicely with the spices and sweetness of the chai powder. Make sure it's all melted down there. So we're going to use whole milk today. Put in whole milk. It looks like we need about 8 more ounces of milk. Bleed out the steam ones. Give it a little medium texture. And as soon as some people need thermometers, and as soon as I can't touch it, it's kind of when I take it off heat, wipe down the steam wand right away. And then let's fold in the milk with the chai and espresso. There you go. Dirty chai. It's one of my favorite ways to enjoy Tiger Spice.